Bro, don't touch my fucking shit. Never. I'll kill you, bro. Pussy. I'll fuck you. One of these people. I'm not the racist, but you have to understand, I do not know these people. So why don't the police tell these people?
Unless something happened before that, we don't know it.
Bro, don't touch my fucking shit. Never. In your fucking life, I'll kill you, bro. Pussy. I'll fuck you up, bitch. Bitch, don't. Bitch, stay away from my shit, yeah? You hear me, bitch? Stay away from my shit, bitch. You hear me, bitch? Stay away from my shit, bitch. You hear me? You fucking hear me, bitch? Bitch, you hear me? Rat shit! Don't come near me! Pussy! What are you gonna do with that? What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do?
Put it in the bag, sack it off.
Yeah, grab your stuff, man. Grab your stuff.
Yeah, listen.
Just separate.
I'm not bothered, but I'm living my life, yeah? I don't care. I'm going through my own life, I'm doing my own shit.
No, I'm good, brother. Yeah. I feel I'm gonna pack up. Go around, man.
He's accusing him. Yeah. I'm setting myself that way. Yeah?
That's it. So I'm defending, so that's it. I've been packing up to go home, and you've still been going.
I'm just going to speak to my colleague.
Yeah.
This.
Yeah, thank you for that.
That's good.
Told me the best friend.
Travel for a bell, don't
Another thing, my money over earlier. One of these people. I'm not. No, when I was down there, I see him, he's on a microphone, he's dancing around, he's doing this. What's he doing?
Yeah, so you come up to him.
Yeah, and I just pushed him away, man.
Yeah, pushed him away.
Yeah, and he's just giving it verbal, and that's it. So like me and him had words through it. I don't know none of them. You can check the history, yeah? These dudes just want to come to me.
Yeah.
These dudes, they just come to me with vitriol, racist vibes. This is not new. It's been over a year. Like a couple of guys have been arrested, bailed. I think it's gone to court. And there's two things going on now. One that happened a couple of weeks ago. One that happened yesterday. Yes, and this and that. Too much. I just want these people to leave me alone. That's all I want. Sorry. Is that like, I know that they're racist, yeah? I know they're racist, but you have to understand, I do not know these people. So why don't the police tell these people, leave the man alone? He does not know you. Why are you being racist to him? Why are you being threatening? Why are you abusing him? Why are you touching his equipment?
So at this moment, you say he's a racist.
No, it's been before, not this incident. Yes! And he's threatening, they're all giving the chip when they're together. Sorry. They all stand up there, yeah? They all sit down there, they drink. They're feral. 5 police, what's his name?
Asking for it, but they're all funny about you being filmed. So how can you film if you're not allowed to film? The wasp, they seem to like him. You gotta say it as it is. That guy beat the crap out of the other one. He did. He kept hitting him. But for some reason, everybody's siding with him. Why? I don't know. Unless something happened before that, we don't know it.
They could have at least handcuffed him to the front.
But whatever's happened before that, is going to be. So I asked you to go behind that.
It wasn't that.
Behind that thingy over there. That's why we couldn't hear you earlier, but we can hear you now. It wasn't that dangerous. We're